Okay, so here's a little tutorial slash showcase for the Chaos Outfit to Skeletal Mesh Mass Converter plugin thing. So the first thing you want to do is go to plugins. Here you can search for example, outfit. And if you have the plugin installed, it will show up here. So the plugin requires things like Chaos Outfit Asset to be enabled as well, but it should enable it automatically. You don't need to click it manually, I think. So all you gotta do is enable Chaos Outfit to Skeletal Mesh Mass Converter, and then you have to restart. So I'll be back when it restarts. Okay, we're back, and now to start this process, first we're gonna find the widget and start that up. It might be a bit tricky to find, but I might try to add some kind of button in the future to start that up. But for now, make sure you have plugin content checked here, and then just look through your stuff here and find the chaos cloth. Wait, is that? No. Here it is. Okay. So the Chaos Outfit to Skeletal Mesh Mass Converter, and make sure you click on the content folder, not the C++ folder. And here you will find a widget. If you right-click it, you can run editor utility widget. Now, once you run that, I think it will show up here. So you run that once, it will show up, here in the tools. And you can start it up a bit quicker that way. But I think the first time you run it, you have to find the actual widget asset. Okay. So there's a bunch of options here. So to start off, we'll ignore this first part. So in the outfit, we need to set first a resizer outfit asset. So the plugin does not provide any of these things, but they are very easy to make, and I will show you how to make a basic resizer outfit asset and a resizable outfit asset. You will need your own clothing and stuff. I have an example here that I will resize. And so what you'll need is, like I said, you will need some kind of clothing. You will need the body that the clothing was made for, and the skeletal the skeleton needs to match. So I am using metahumans here, but it works with any other type of skeleton as well. You don't need to use metahumans. And then you need to have the target bodies, which I think need to share the same topology, definitely the same skeleton as the source body. And they might need to share the same topology as well, but I'm not sure. Well, you can test this easily by simply, trying out outfits. the plugin doesn't really introduce any new functionality, it just makes it easier to sort of mass produce skeletal meshes with already existing functions. Okay, so the first thing we'll need to make a cloth asset for this outfit. And I think you can also use static meshes. I never tried that though, so I have a skeletal mesh clothing here. Anyway. Okay, so cloth. We'll make a cloth asset. And we open it up and oh right, so make sure you right click and open in data flow editor. And I'm just going to make something very basic here, so I'll delete all of this stuff. Because here I don't need this. Skeletal mesh. I have our skeletal mesh here. And I'll go ahead and choose my outfit. So this is the clothing. And then we drag out from there and search for import. Skeletal mesh import. And depending on how many LODs you have or want, I have 4 LODs in here, so I'm gonna copy this 4 times. Control D to duplicate the node, and we just drag in here because we're using the same skeletal mesh. And then so this is 0 in the this we'll just keep that at 0, and then we have LOD 1 and LOD 2 and LOD 3, and then we search for search for terminal, I think. Right, so cloth asset terminal, that's the one. And then to add more LODs, you just press add pin. Then we connect the other LODs here. Okay, so we have it. It shows up. Good. And that's pretty much it with the cloth asset. So this is super basic. Just if you want to use like a static mesh, you might have to do some more stuff. Go check out YouTube for some tutorials on that. And then we need the actual outfit asset. So search for outfit, and then you find outfit asset, make one, and then it will ask you to select the template, and this should be a resizable outfit. So pick resizable outfit as the template. Open the new outfit. And then, so here, on the side here where it says data flow variable overrides, just check this variable here, add an entry there, and on the source asset you add the cloth that you just made. And it shows up. And then in source body parts you add the body that this asset was made for. So in my case, I have adapted this to this old legacy metahuman body, just a male tall resizable body. Might take a bit of time. So I'll pause here. Okay, and it's done. So we added the cloth asset and the body mesh that it was made for. And that is it. That's all we need from that. And now, anywhere you want, you have to make the resizer outfit asset. Okay, so the outfit asset that will resize your resizable outfit asset. It's a bit confusing, but anyway. So now, once again, you create an outfit asset, and you pick resizing graph. Okay. And let's name this to something. Outfit sizing graph, maybe, so we don't get confused. Open that up, and here you will see a bunch of stuff that you can ignore. And this is really weird, like you can't scroll down here, so anyway, just hide that so you can actually see anything here. And then in here, you don't really have to do anything, right? So all you have to do is make sure that these variables match what it says here. So resizer outfit target body property. You see that it says target body here, and here it also says target body. Good. If you want to be absolutely sure, you can right-click, copy internal name, and then paste it in here. Okay. And then you have resizable outfit property name. That's this one. Right-click, copy internal name, paste it in, and they were the same. So, great. Now, here we'll pick the resizer outfit that we just made right now. So the resizing graph outfit. Put that there. And in resizable outfit asset, we put the outfit that we want to resize, which is this one. The new outfit asset that we made. And here's the settings for the output. So where do we want to put them? So I made a folder here called Reshaped Outfits. I will go there, and then I will just press this button, Use Current Browser Path. I will just copy the current browser path in here to this field. Or you can copy this and paste it in here, whatever you want. Just make sure it's a valid folder. And if you already have some stuff in there, you can mark replace existing if you want to update some outfits. It's empty right now, so no need. And the resizable outfit prefix length. So these are settings for naming the outputted skeletal meshes in a good way. So it will take the name of the outfit asset and add stuff from the names of your target bodies. So for example, it will remove the prefix, and then so so add them together. So you gotta specify the length of the prefix of your outfit asset that you are resizing. So in most cases, you know, it will be called OA underscore blah blah blah. So OA is the length of the prefix. That's the prefix OA. So it's 2 characters. So keep that as 2. And the target shape meshes prefix length can, you know, vary. I don't know. If they're just called SKM blah blah blah, or SK, if it's just SK, it's 2. If it's SKM, it's 3. If you have some other prefix, it's longer. So in my case, this I consider this whole thing SKM outfit base mesh. That is basically my prefix. And by the way, these are the target shape meshes. All right. So to get to add the target shape meshes, you can either mark everything and just drop them in here, or you can get the path to your meshes, paste it in here, and press get target shape meshes, whatever you want. And so anyway, so my prefix here is 18 characters. It's SKM underscore outfit base mesh. That is my prefix, so I put 18 here. So it will basically, the output will be SKM, and then it will take this new outfit asset theme, and then add the last part of the target base mesh name for each reshaped outfit. And the target skeleton, this is optional, but convenient to set. You'll have to set it afterwards if you don't set it in here, because a skeleton mesh needs a skeleton to function. So, and that should be it. So it says here we're ready. So let's press generate skeleton meshes, and this might take a while. It might look like the editor has frozen for a bit while it's working. Don't worry, it's just working. So I'll press this, and then I will pause the video for a bit. And we're back. So that took less than a minute, I think, at least. And here are the resulting skeletal meshes, the outfit skeletal meshes. So as you can see, they match the target bodies. They're all reshaped. You can see some of the, it's very easy to see on the extreme ones. And the skeletons themselves also match. The target shape. Right, so one problem with when you create a mesh with this data flow graph thing is that, as you can see, it created 4 identical material slots, or 4 slots with identical materials. The original only has 1. Oh, by the way, the physics, like the cloth simulation, that is not kept when you do this, so you'll have to redo that stuff. maybe Epic will update the process in some time, so that we can keep cloth physics, but for now that's not possible. So this one has one material slot, right? But for some reason it creates duplicates. So if you have a cloth with like 3 materials and 4 lots, it will create 3 times 4 material slots. A lot of waste, right? So to fix that, I made this little section here. Let's get back to our outfits. So if you select all and you add them here to mesh fix, or you can, if you are currently in the same folder as the meshes, you can just get them from there. Oh, I forgot to say, if you have some sort of lot settings data asset, you can set that here also. So we added all the meshes here, and then we just press consolidate material slots on mesh. And now save, and ta-da! Only one material slot. And that is pretty much it. And then if you have so like I mentioned, if you use like the target lot settings and have generated lots, I got lots on the mesh now, on the original outfit. I already have like imported lots, I guess you'd call them. But if you have like generated lots, you can, and you set the LOD settings data asset, you can also regenerate those lots by pressing this button if you add the meshes there. And that's it. Thank you.